landing page of JECT. Again, there is no need for you to type in any topics here. In order to access the science communication metaphors, you click on these 4 little boxes to see JECT.AI's science journalism features. Again, you then see a range of options across the top, and the second from the left is metaphors. If you click on metaphors, you're then given access to a set of almost 70 science communication metaphors that's to be developed within the underpinning Quest research project. And each of these metaphors has been identified as having been used as an effective communication aid for communicating either about vaccines or about the climate crisis or about the role of AI and AI in society to a wider public. So each of these is a tried and tested metaphor for which you can learn and think creatively about how you wish to communicate your story. So for example, if we go here for perhaps and focus on this metaphor called repelling viruses, and you might use this metaphor to explain how vaccine protection is like applying insect repellent. People take precautions to stop mosquitoes and other biting insects to prevent itchy hives and swellings. So there's the basis of a familiar activity here in order to explain how you might use a vaccine against the COVID virus or against mumps or measles. You'll notice that each metaphor like this one comes with a textual description, but it also comes with a number of interacting objects. And each of these objects is essentially a key aspect of the metaphor, and by clicking on them it will offer you some further insight. So if you're interested in exploring how you might use this idea of insect bites as being something that we don't want, the tool will then sort of generate some prompts such as, are there other aspects of the metaphor that describe the insect bites more effectively? Well, perhaps the insect bite causes you pain, so you might be interested in exploring the pain aspects to it and bring those out when talking about, for example, the COVID virus. Likewise, you might be interested in looking at how existing you might use repellents such as mosquitoes to combat against illnesses, and ask the tool then generates this prompt: how would your readers understand the illness as described in this metaphor? Think how to exploit this in your use of it. So again, the tool is encouraging you to generate different kinds of prompts in order to combine in your story. Likewise, if we focus on the vaccine metaphors, there's another one here, unvaccinated weapons. So use this metaphor to explain how the unvaccinated have the potential to become lethal weapons. There's an interesting metaphor there. So within our set, we might explore how might we explore this idea of unvaccinated people as lethal weapons, and how would your readers understand the unvaccinated people as described in this metaphor? Think about how to exploit this in your use of it. Likewise, we might go on the concept of unsecured guns, which are perhaps the idea of people who have yet to be vaccinated. Can the metaphor describe the unsecured guns more effectively, and if so, how? So again, it's giving you creative guidance. And you'll notice that there are similar creative guidelines here for thinking about machine learning or radical change and so on. So can the metaphor describe the radical change more effectively? If so, how? So there we go, a very simple set of almost 70 scientific metaphors for you to explore and have some interaction with.